Why is battery replacement such an essential aspect of maintaining our electronic devices? Picture this. You're right in the middle of an important task. Maybe you're finalizing a presentation, or perhaps you're in the closing stages of a riveting game. Suddenly, your device powers down. The battery has given up the ghost. Frustrating, isn't it? Well, that's where the importance of battery replacement comes in. It ensures that your device continues to function optimally, giving you the freedom to use it without the constant fear of it dying on you. So, if you've been putting off that battery replacement, it's high time to reconsider. Now the question arises, how does one replace a battery? Well, buckle up as we delve into a step-by-step guide to replacing a battery. Step 1. Safety first. Always ensure to switch off your device before starting. This safety measure helps to prevent any electrical mishaps. Step 2. Remove the device's cover. Most modern devices have removable covers, either at the back or the bottom, that give you access to the battery compartment. Step 3. Take out the old battery. This can usually be done by gently prying it out with a small non-conductive tool. Remember, gentleness is key here. You wouldn't want to damage anything. Step 4. Insert the new battery. Make sure it's the right model for your device. The battery should fit snugly into the compartment without any force. Step 5. Replace the cover. Make sure it's securely fastened to prevent any damage to the new battery or the device itself. Step 6. Power on your device. If it powers on without any issues, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your battery. To summarize, battery replacement is a crucial step in ensuring that your devices continue to serve you well. It starts with recognizing the need for a new battery, followed by turning off the device for safety. Next, remove the device's cover, take out the old battery and insert the new one. Once done, replace the cover and power on the device. Remember, battery replacement is not just about prolonging the life of your device, but it's also about ensuring its optimal performance. So, never underestimate the power of a good battery and never ignore the signs that it's time for a replacement. Remember, the heart of your device is its battery. Take care of it, and it will take care of you.